Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper. First of all, you need to have available Toncoins on Bybit, and then you need to go to the Tonkeeper. You need to click Toncoin, then click Receive, and you need to copy this Toncoin wallet address from Tonkeeper. Now let's close Tonkeeper. Let's go back to Bybit, then click Assets on bottom right menu, select Withdraw, select Toncoin, enter the wallet address we just copied from Tonkeeper. The network should be Ton. The tag memo is not required because this is the unique wallet address, so we don't need to enter the memo. Let's enter the amount of ton we're going to send. For example, let's send maximum. All right, as you can see, there is a withdraw fee. So if everything is correct, you need to click the withdraw button, confirm. I need to confirm the transaction, so I will do it quickly. So let's click confirm button. And as you can see, we successfully sent our Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Now I will wait a few minutes and I will check my Tonkeeper balance. As you can see guys, in just 3 minutes, my money arrived from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.